Welcome to Legacy Lab. Today, we are talking about social construction. It is the idea that society made this up. All of it! The rules, the categories, the vibes, and then told us it was natural and we said okay. A social construct exists because we collectively agree it exists. Not because it fell from the sky. Not because it is in our DNA. Because humans had a meeting at some point and said, yeah, let us go with that. Money is the easiest example. It is paper or numbers on a screen. It has value because we believe it does. If everyone woke up tomorrow and decided leaves were currency, Wall Street would collapse by lunchtime. Time is another one. Seconds exist. But why is a workday 8 hours? Why is 9 in the morning respectable, but noon considered lazy? Society decided and then built alarms to enforce it. Now, let us talk about clothing. There is no biological reason jeans are acceptable, but pajamas are not. A suit does not make you professional. It just convinces people you know the rules. Same body. Different fabric. Different respect. Gender roles are shaped by society. Pink for girls, blue for boys. It's all flipped. Makeup was once a symbol of status. Society flipped the script and nobody updated the instruction manual. Race is one of the biggest social constructions. Humans share over 99% of their DNA. But societies created racial categories to organize power, resources, and labor. That is why race looks different in different countries and time periods. Education is also socially constructed. We decided what counts as intelligence. Reading fast? Good. Memorizing facts? Good. Sitting still? Good. Creativity, noise-making, curiosity, sometimes suspicious. Fun fact, the term social construction comes from sociologists Peter Berger and Thomas Luckman, who explain that humans create society, and then society turns around and tells humans how to behave. It is a loop, and nobody read the terms and conditions. Social construction does not mean fake. It means real, because we treat it as real. Laws, borders, money, grades, and job titles have real consequences even though humans invented them. Once you see social construction, you cannot unsee it. You start asking who made this rule, who benefits from it, and why we are all acting like it is common sense. That is social construction. Society built it. Society enforces it. And society can absolutely change it if enough people agree. Like, subscribe, and join Legacy Lab for Sociology. That actually makes sense. Drop a comment with the most random thing you realized was socially constructed and tell us what concept should get explained next.